First, I peel the cassava, wash it off, get clean with a grater. After I grate it now, they squeeze it up. But that's the entire process. So people that start to squeeze it out can even use all make up all press too. But when I like use because we do them already and boy it goes white. Welcome people, welcome back to the channel. For a day a long time, thanks for the support. And just forward, thanks for the support also, you see me. In the video, when you don't know what all about already, you see me, because when you don't see it in the title, I'm going to bridging yard because I'm make Bammy. So all who don't know Bammy make, I'll get a chance to see Bammy make now, you see me. So, when you can stay tuned for the video, leave a like, leave a comment, share, and follow me IG, Jeff876 and Yasa Adventures. The link for the page them down below in the description. Just scroll down, click it, and you can follow upon it. You see me? So just do right, man. People, the best of this channel is yet to come. So just subscribe and stay tuned and share to anybody. Just share it up, man. Share. And when you share the link, tell them to you subscribe and share it. You see me? Help me grow. Help me reach 1K subscribers by latest February of next year. You see me? That basically 2 months away. You just the right people. So the cassava will go and peel up now. And if I right here, I go and catch.
You may tell them say Bammy, or is that how you be Bammy?
Yeah, man, tell them already, man, I'm doing it already.
Did it already?
Yeah, man. So it's a natural thing. Now if I color when you buy them in a supermarket any place,
Yeah.
natural.
Depart Montego for Miami at 11:30 a.m. Then your arrivals. It's JetBlue Airways flight B6779, and that flight
I'll put in bad, you know.
That's what I wouldn't.
at 9:24 a.m. Cool 97.
The bad man.
Welcomes all arriving
You right,
passengers
Dad.
to the island.
Your loved ones by signing up for the Covenant
How you plant them?
Members Life Plan.
Yeah, man.
You can get coverage on your life. Cool 97 FM. Celebrating
You look tough.
20 years.
A long time it's not grown.
FM. 20 years. And
This edition of the Member of the Legends is courtesy of Graham's Texaco Service Station. Striving for excellence, always.
Can you win it come back?
Eh?
What? I know when it come back. Why I don't know where I go on. Just look off what so.
I tell you, man.
So you see, first I peel the cassava, wash it off, get clean with a grater. After I grate it now, they squeeze it up. But that's the entire process. And Bammy.
Yeah.
What about that rundown too? I can't run
Yeah,
down.
man, cook it down with it in a rundown, man. It's a yard style, Bammy.
And when I make in the factory, and put the color in it. Inside what them find song they do? What many William in song there? Or them find them man? Or Thursday.
But you don't pay them out. You know,
Thursday night.
you don't make them go way down to the bottom.
And Vineyard style, that me like the most.
With Super Cat.
I tell you about and
The farming.
yeah. Tell you about Aki and Rich put it in sitting there.
I dance together.
see boy up online or 3 last night.
Him?
I said, you can late, you know?
Mm.
The man I got money till the morning, I'm going in bed.
Texaco service station.
Yeah, I great township one man, I'm much tired man, I don't know.
You don't go to find out till I have tell this evening. £100? I believe you.
And then if you make any figure I know. You're rough man.
Just ring it.
You're rough.
Scratchel Center.
So you take a time people, so all who buy up and road and them thing there.
Supposedly
The natural one of them, like yard style one, them take a time. So this I process behind it. So in time, you know, still for your price, but you buy on a bar because it's hard to make, take a time. That one you're trying to dumpling now.
You like it? You like it on tonight, but too gummy.
Cassava dumpling.
Can't get 3 Bammy out of this.
Scratch forged the technique of dub versions for
It's like squeezing time I know.
Yeah.
emphasized the bass, occasionally removed vocals, and added reverb to create an eerie, mysterious, echoing sonic sound. He saw the studio as not just a building, but a living thing, possessing life within
So we catch you water night.
He believed that
We catch you water night.
and the machines
Watch out for me.
politicized reggae in the mid-1970s, featuring one of the genre's biggest anthems, Chase the Devil. Terry produced a myriad of sheer classics, including The Heart of the Bungles, the hit songs Dylan covered Party Time, and Junior Murden's hit Police and Thieves, which protested against police
Yeah.
brutality.
You get your clean towel.
1977 saw the production of
So people that start to squeeze out can't even use all
Parody.
make up presto.
Yeah, with your clothes.
But I like use because it's too already and boy make it go to white.
In 1980, he sent a letter to the Japanese Minister of Justice, arguing and pleading against McCartney's arrest. He said, "Please do not consider the amount of herbs involved excessive, whilst upon McCartney's intentions are positive."
By people so in done squeeze here now. So then our next step gone. Next step done. And clean the back as it go, you know.
Yeah.
So people, for your catcher now, when you really want enough coal, because you don't want too much heat.
This name the hook.
This is what I use and farm out the bammy. Round nice circle. Yeah. Salt. But some people call it ring, the bammy ring.
Okay, yeah. Call it the hook. Alright. Fire time.
People, it's a final step. Making the Bammy now. How long it take me? About 10 minutes?
Yeah. Cover him there now to catch the heat.
So the thing bake through at one time. Alright, people, when done, check him back with the way I put in the other ones because it's 2 I make. So check him pan time now. Turn here now.
Yeah.
Come back, you broke it, take time.
Yeah, too.
See that people take a technique, when you do it broke up.
Yeah. That one then nice.
So the next trip, done. When I put it next time.
Yeah, we are come up with someone. We are go find the farm right now.
And people, I make some early ones, so them here, we will use sweet potato,
We are go find the
you know.
fresh farm.
They will just some fresh hop trout, you know. It's a nice tomato tree.
Well, go on, Wilbert. Take it easy.
Nice hop trout, you know. So now give me a warm time, I can hardly see.
That's it, you can see it.
She's son, man, fresh hop trout. This one now.
No, we're not done yet.
People, it again.
Well, when you're done, you know, man. Yeah.
So one down. Wait, when I thinner than the other one. So people say complete process make by me so When you can make it at home. Pretty simple. Just grate the cassava, squeeze it, get a ring, and make it. This one cheese tin. You can cut and make her, if you want smaller ones, you can cut a milk tin and make it if you want small one. If it's a big one cheese tin, you can use it also. I turn again people because it's thin, so it cook much faster than the first one.
Yeah, more on the thick. Yeah.
So when it's finished people, I'll check you what to do now. Alright people, so we did up on my block. I come for the coconut milk because I already squeeze the coconut milk make the olive one. Yeah, so only count the video because the video I drop after the video, you see me? Yeah. So people, that's how you make bammy. Pretty simple, pretty easy. You see me? Just grate it, get the cassava, wash off it, peel it, grate it, squeeze it because squeezing it very important. Squeeze it and you just make it. I said before, you can cut the ring out of the big cheese tin them or milk tin if you want smaller ones, yeah. And make it. I'm sure the complete process. It's when you live in the country, you have these luxury of making all these things. You see me? Yeah, and you can get the thing there fresh. But even Kingston, too, even Kingston, where you live, mobile you watch it. From you get the cassava, you can make it. You see me? And I love making content here because I know enough people out there, both here and overseas, never actually say about them thing I make. So I like making content here. And enough more writing content here I forward. So just subscribe and stay tuned, and me know say somebody famous would want to do content here, you know. So just share the video I saw and make them see it. You see me? So don't be selfish. What you think? Just share it. Yeah, sharing is caring and not what I want to for just share it and make other people know about the video and know about the channel. You see me? Yeah. So I'll close out that video here, right here, so you see me, because I already shown you how the process make already the first one. No, it's the second one I'll be it now, and you don't know quick thing that make because it's much thinner than the first one. You see me? So right now I make them all in one. Pretty easy again. So I explain how you make in the other video how I make it. You see me? So follow me on G people, please. Follow me on IG Jeff876 and Yards Adventures. The link the page them me keep on the channel. The link the page them down below in the description. So you scroll along, click it and give me a follow. You see me? Yeah. And share the link also make people know about me. Come on, channel grow people, please. I can't stress that enough. Share video. Yeah, I'm out for now.